fidget hunting at Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're at Dollar Tree and we're going to be trying to look for some fidgets. Okay, here's the toy section. And okay. Ooh, they have these like dice, but I don't really know if they're like a fidget, so. Look. Okay, I'm gonna get these to make stress balls. This is cute. Okay. They have a lot of Rubik's Cubes, but I don't really like them. Ooh, they have Slinkies. Might get one of those. Can you hold? Actually, no. But this is not really that soft. Okay, I'm gonna try to look for more fidgets. This like wiggly wobbly thing. I found this like ear stress ball. They have a bunch of more ear stress balls. Squishies. And these like sandy things. Come back for part 2 when I do a haul.